Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable media autoplay in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward process there, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you have to do is open up the Edge browser if it's not already open, and then we're going to navigate up to the settings icon near the top right corner of the browser window. You want to go ahead and just left click on that, and then select settings near the bottom of this list. Select site permissions on the left side, and then go on the right side and locate media autoplay. Might have to scroll down a little bit and go ahead and just left click on that. Now if you want to set it to allow, that means that all media will automatically play and the changes will only be applied to new tabs that you create. The limit option means the media will be blocked based on what you blocked in the past. Changes will only be applied to new tabs. So you can either limit or allow this at this point. So either allow or limit, and once that's done, you just close out of the Edge browser and that should automatically be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.